Hello, everyone. Welcome back to ITI Nini channel.
Question 41. The example of non-ohmic resistance is I. Copper wire. 2. Carbon resistance. 3. Tungsten wire. 4. Diode. Answer: 4. Diode. Question 42. In which of the following substances does the resistance decrease with the increase of temperature? I. Carbon. 2. Constantine. 3. Copper. 4. Silver. Answer: I. Carbon. Question 43. The electric current is due to the flow of I. Positive charges only. 2. Negative charges only. 3. Both positive and negative charges. 4. None of the above. Answer: 3. Both positive and negative charges. Question 44. Insulators have temperature coefficient of resistance I. 0. 2. Positive. 3. Negative. 4. None of the above. Answer: 3. Negative. Question 45. Eureka has temperature coefficient of resistance I. Almost 0. 2. Negative. 3. Positive. 4. None of the above. Answer: I. Almost 0. Question 46. Constantine wire is used for making standard resistances because it has I. Low specific resistance. 2. High specific resistance. 3. Negligibly small temperature coefficient of resistance. 4. High melting point. Answer: negligibly small temperature coefficient of resistance. Question 47. In case of liquids, Ohm's law is I. Fully obeyed. 2. Partially obeyed. 3. There is no relation between current and potential difference. 4. None of the above. Answer: 2. Partially obeyed. Question 48. 1 cubic centimeter of copper at room temperature has about I. 200 free electrons. 2. 20 times 10 free electrons. 3. 8.5 times 10 free electrons. 4. 3 times 5 free electrons. Answer: 3. 8.5 times 10 free electrons. Question 49. The diameter of an atom is about I. 10 m. 2. 8 m. 3. 2 m. 4. 15 m. Answer: I. 10 m. Question 50. The resistance of a wire is R ohms. It is stretched to double its length. The new resistance of the wire in ohms is I. R/2. 2. 2R. 3. 4R. 4. R/4. Answer: 3. 4R.